everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Kathryn. So Kathryn, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. She requested one of my favorite themes, you know, the Monstera leaves, black and white theme. So I have, like, these are the only Monstera leaves I have left. I was going through all my books and this is all I could find. So I have these, and then I'm gonna just combine it with some black elements, which I have boxes. I have other books too that I'm gonna pull from. That's kind of the idea for this spread. So I think what I'm gonna do first, I mean, I really like these long pieces. Okay, they almost fit here. I don't have enough to do like top and bottom on both. So I think for sure I want to do them on the bottom, and then I'll see if I want to alternate it on the other side. We'll see. Okay, this is a really long sticker. Okay, it's kind of sticking. Let me try to lay it down this way. Oop, probably not the best idea, but you know. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, like this. Tricky. All right, so I need to cut this a little bit off. Scissors. Oh my goodness, I have like everything. Oh, here it is. I was like, where are my scissors? Like, it should be near me. Okay. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, I do like that, but now I need to decide how I'm going to do. I think I do want them on the bottom. Okay, so it's just gonna be on the bottom. I mean, it would have been cool to have it on the top and the bottom, but I don't have enough sticker sheets for that. So that's okay. I'll put this here. I really want it to go to the edge. All right, that's pretty. Now I might put, okay, I can do some clusters. Let's see, maybe I can do this one, this corner piece over here. Try to line it up on the edge. Oop, nope. Okay, there's that one. So pretty. And then I'm gonna save this one and do like a little cluster here. Okay, actually let me get some boxes. Let me move on to boxes. So I have big boxes, big neutral boxes from Jojo. Let's see, I have this one. Use this one here. I think, yeah, she uses this planner or these spreads for journaling. So I really like these kind of boxes for journaling spreads because they have the lines in them. I feel like that's more like journaling, at least for me it is. I like to use those. All right, then I'm gonna grab this black one. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. And then I want to put this big piece. Okay, I want it like here, but I want a box layered with it. So let me grab another box. Oops. One of these. I'm gonna grab one of these. Sorry. Okay. So I'm just gonna layer this box on top. Oh wait, no. It needs to be like up to here. So let me put this down first, like right about here. Okay, and then I can just layer it on top. Okay. Why does it have to be crooked? Oh my goodness. a little bit, it's just a little crooked. Okay, it's just a little crooked. That's okay. Can't be perfect. Okay, and I might put like something over here. Let me look in these books. So, oh, this is very, I don't think this is gonna work because it's very like more planner functional related. Oh, I like these. Oh no, I thought I had, okay. There's this today. It's not like the same kind of black, but I feel like it'll help hide the crookedness of that section. I don't know, I think it does. Actually, let me add one of these. Here. Okay, that looks good. I like that. Okay, that works. And then I have another, like a little noted one that I can add over here. Okay, so let me get some more boxes. I'm gonna grab another one of these. I'm gonna do it this way. I'll leave that open a little bit and put some leaves. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab another box and layer that on top. And then I'll put this noted here. Okay, that looks good there. But I feel like I need maybe like a little bit more green over here. So let me cut this. And layer this here. Okay, that's better. And then I need to grab some black and white washi, but first I'm going to add a little bit more boxes. I just like to scatter boxes around so that way she has like different places to write. That's always nice. And various sizes, because I never know like what they're gonna put in them in these on these pages, but it's nice to have boxes around to just add things and note things and stuff. So yeah, just gonna add them around. Okay, and I want to add like little like details, like quotes and stuff. So actually let me go in here because there was some like black stuff. Oh, that's a better one. These, okay. They're just like nice little quotes. So we got work hard and be proud of what you achieve. And then prepare to succeed today. I just like to have little quotes around the spread. It's always nice to look at. Encouraging quotes. You got this. Put this one going this way. Actually, no, because it just makes, nope, it's staying there. Okay, never mind, it's staying there. And then ooh, there's these quotes. This one says find joy in the ordinary. So nope, that doesn't fit. Okay, I like the quote, it doesn't fit. So let's do this one. This is your world, shape it or someone else will. Okay, let's see if I put it here. Okay, I think I like that. And then actually I'm gonna grab that sticker I pulled earlier and I'm gonna put it here because I like to have similar quotes on each side. Okay, so I think that's good. Now let me get that black and white washi because I feel like that'll be the finishing detail for this spread. And then I might add in a couple more like leaves around the spread. But let me grab the washi. So I'm thinking this like perfect little black and white stripe. This one is from Rongrong. I'm sorry, not from Rongrong. I'm getting my companies mixed up. Live Love Posh. Live Love Posh. These are from Live Love Posh too. All the Monstera leaves, but it's from an older book. I don't know if she still has them. I feel like she's pretty good about stocking things, but I don't know how far back she stocks books, because this is like one of her first books, like from the first year of releases. So yeah, not sure if it's still a thing. If it is, it's definitely a good book to buy, because they're broken up into different colors. So this is from the green book. So there's lots of good green options. Okay, so I love this washi. So good. Okay. And just like fits this theme so well. Okay, let me add, I feel like I need more of these like stickers, like the long stickers. Sorry, I had to fix my camera because it shut off on me. Okay, so yeah, I feel like I need more of these like little long quotes. I don't think I have any more in here that are, oh yeah, I do, okay. Oh no, but they're silver foil. Actually, I have this one. It's too big. I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, so I'm just gonna trim it a little bit so it'll fit. Okay, so now it'll fit here. Okay, nice. And then I think I want to add washi in a couple more places. I just like the little pop the pattern for this theme. Like I said, it's one of my favorites, so let's see, where should I add it though? We'll add some here. And then some here. Kind of break it up a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. And let's see, how can I do that over here though? Let's do it here. And then I'll do a little bit here. Cool. All right, let me add in, let me see. I can add in a couple more leaves. Sorry, now I'm worried that my camera's gonna shut off again. I'm almost done, almost done. So please just don't do that again. I'm just basically talking to my phone. Please don't shut off on me. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple of leaves. I feel like this side, maybe like coming off here. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna cluster or layer two of these together and have them coming off the page here. Okay, cute. All right, so that is going to be my completed spread for Kathryn. So Kathryn, I hope you like your spread. I love this theme, so thank you for requesting it because it's one of my favorites to do. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.